Hello, my name is Mr. Goins and welcome to BDTV. Thank you for joining us on this virtual open house. I am the instructor of TV Broadcasting, a part of the Area 31 Career Center and Ben Davis High School. What we teach in this class is to master the 5 components of TV broadcasting: camera, audio, lighting, writing, and editing. Our goal is to make all of our students into multimedia journalists, to where they can use those skills that they have mastered and produce content for any medium out there. We want them to become content managers. We love this class. I love the students, and I have an opportunity to be the difference in many of their lives. Many of our students, former students, have gone on and worked into many film industries across the country, along with broadcast facilities throughout the country and many throughout the world.
I'm Lenny Collier, and I'm a transfer student from Cascade, and the benefit that BDTV has brought me is a clear understanding of what I want to do in my future, and brought me to a lot of opportunities like being a class ambassador and opportunities for scholarships.
My name is Devin Williams, and I'm a reporter for BDTV. This is my first semester in here, and I've learned how to edit, publish, and produce media, and also interview people. I like the interactions with all the people.
My name is Charlie McQuinn. I'm in BDTV. This class has prepared me for my future because I plan on directing movies, and in this class I learned how to work with other people on video projects and how to generally use the equipment that I need.
Thanks again. And remember, if it's about you and me, it's on BDTV. I'm Mr. Goins, and I teach TV broadcasting at the Area 31 Career Center, where we turn passions into a profession.